Oh? May paparating. Ito kaya yun? Ito na siya! Yay! I wonder what's inside this package. It's ASMR from Summit Media Publishing. Ano kaya ito? Let's open. Yes! Okay! Ano ito? Let's open! One. At ito na siya. Yay! Elemento Club! So, sa other fan fiction, I have two books na. First is Elemento, and then Elemento Club. Pero disclaimer, this is not the book 2 of Elemento. This is just a spin-off story. Okay? So, it is like an extension of the universe of Elemento. And actually, it gives hints kung ano yung magiging future ng ilang characters. Here. So, this is totally new batch of young teenagers. And their story. Elemento Club. The smell of new book. Okay. So this is the front page. I love the front page. And we have the 6 characters. And we open it. This is their school. Yeah. Awkward Academy. And bookmark. Available na sa Lazada at Shopee and hopefully sa bookstores near you. Elemento Club.